Are you looking for the best non-stick toasters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best non-stick toasters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nostalgia Retro 3-in-1 Breakfast Station. The Nostalgia Retro 3-in-1 Breakfast Station offers a multi-functioning toaster, 4-cup coffee maker, and family-sized griddle in one compact design. The toaster oven can fit up to 4 slices of bread and a 7-inch pizza, while the coffee maker brews up to 4 cups in minutes. The spacious non-stick griddle is perfect for frying eggs, omelets, pancakes, sausages, bacon, hash browns and other breakfast foods. The removable oven tray, wire rack, crumb tray, and non-stick griddle make cleanup a breeze. Choose between desired settings with the control panel. What we like. Versatile 3-in-1 breakfast station covers your entire morning breakfast. Multifunctioning toaster oven can fit up to 4 slices of bread and a 7-inch pizza. 4-cup coffee maker brews up to 4 cups in minutes. Spacious non-stick griddle is perfect for frying breakfast foods. Removable oven tray, wire rack, crumb tray, and non-stick griddle make cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Shradha Trading Grill Sandwich Toaster. Shradha Trading Toaster is a non-stick sandwich maker grill that is easy to clean, saves time and money, and consumes lower gas for even heat distribution. It is perfect for outdoor cooking, BBQs, and campfires, promoting oil/butter-free cooking to preserve food nutrients. Remember not to use it on high flame, avoid sharp objects for scraping, and do not use abrasive pads. What we like. Easy to clean. Even heat distribution. Oil/butter-free cooking. Number 3. Cuisinart TOB1010 Toaster Oven Broiler. The Cuisinart TOB1010 Toaster Oven Broiler has a high-performance power of 1,800 watts that enables you to toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, and keep warm with endless functions. It fits an 11-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread with a 0.5 cubic feet inside oven toaster capacity. The toaster oven has a stainless steel front with a cool touch handle and an easy clean non-stick interior. It also features an always even toast shade control for even toasting and a convenient auto slide rack to remove food easily. The product comes with a baking pan, wire rack, and front removable crumb tray with cool touch grip. What we like. Multiple functions for versatile cooking. Large capacity for fitting 11-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread. Number 4. GD Non-Stick Sandwich Maker. The GD Sandwich Maker is a versatile kitchen tool that makes cooking easy and efficient. You can enjoy delicious sandwiches without worrying about electricity, as this maker operates over gas. Its non-stick coating ensures quick and hassle-free cleaning, saving you time and effort. Additionally, it uses less gas while providing even heat distribution, which helps in preserving the nutrients in your food. Plus, it's perfect for outdoor cooking, allowing you to prepare meals around campfires without the need for oil or butter. What we like. Easy to clean. Electricity-free operation. Even heat distribution. Outdoor cooking friendly. Number 5. Mecity 2-Slice Toaster Touchscreen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mecity Touchscreen Toaster. Featuring a 4.4-inch touchscreen, this toaster allows you to easily select settings for 6 browning levels and various bread types. With its consistent toasting capability, you can enjoy perfectly crunchy bread every time. Crafted with a mix of mirror surface and brushed stainless steel, this toaster not only looks sleek but also ensures durability. Cleaning is a breeze with its non-stick stainless steel toasting slots and removable crumb tray. What we like. Touchscreen interface. 6 browning levels. Stainless steel build.